Hello, the following video provides an overview of Greatland's co-op program. This program, information about it can be found through the main menu of the site. You can click on this here and get to the co-op program page. But the co-op program essentially allows individual customers to consolidate shipping to certain individual communities so that they can use bypass shipping. If you're not familiar with bypass shipping, it's a USPS program that's subsidized and heavily discounted. So the program that we've organized lets these individual orders get consolidated and meet the requirements of that program, primarily being a shipment must be 1,000 pounds in total weight in order for everyone involved to realize substantial savings on their orders. So that's the main benefit, is that orders will cost less. However, orders shipped bypass are also handled like air freight. So as opposed to USPS priority shipments, which are managed as regular U.S. mail, bypass shipments are handled as air freight, and items are stored in shippers' coolers and freezers in between transport. Another additional benefit is that items or orders that are moved through this program also move at the same speed as U.S. priority mail. So it's cheaper, you get better protection of your groceries, and it's delivered at the same speed as USPS priority. Now, to show you how this works, we prepared a sample order here. And you'll find on the checkout page that you have the ability to easily participate in this program. You'll see on this page here on the order options section that there's ability to consolidate your order with the co-op program. You'd simply turn that on and select your community of where you're shipping. Now, this is on our staging site, and these are all just sample locations we put together. But you'll see here that it's tracking the consolidated weight. So that would be all orders that have been or are in the process of being consolidated for a particular location. Now, once the total gets to 1,000 pounds, all the individual orders are processed together. They'll be packaged individually, but they're going to be offered as one shipment, and therefore meeting the bypass requirements and providing substantial savings. So before we select that, you'll see with the shipping options that there's bypass mail, which is only available if your order is 1,000 pounds. So you could ship this way if your individual purchase weighs 1,000 pounds, but that's not terribly likely for most individual shoppers. So within each particular order, you see that order weight is tracked. And so if we're going to add this to a particular location, let's add it to Nome for this example. You'll see that orders are forced to bypass mail for each one of these classes, and you'll see that instead of being charged an additional amount, your order is actually being reduced. So this was approximately $400 test order. Now that it's being shipped bypass, the order cost went down by about 25%. So heavier items are going to result in larger discounts, but regardless of what's in your cart, it would ship. Your order could be purchased at a lower rate if participating in this program. So you could do the co-op program, and the same payment options exist. You can pay with credit card, you can use Quest card, or you could send in a payment to us through check. But you place the order the same way. Now, once your co-op order has been submitted, you can find information on the My Account section. So we have a couple test orders we've already completed here. And we'll go into the My Account area, and then within this page, we're going to go to Co-op Orders. And this will list all the orders, co-op orders that are currently open. So you just saw these on the checkout page along with their current weights. And again, once these weights reach 1,000 pounds, all the individual orders will, within that consolidated co-op order, turn to processing, get prepared for shipping, and are ultimately mailed out. So this will show you the status of any co-op order you may have placed. So before you can place a co-op order, though, there must be a site host for an individual community. Site hosts essentially receive this consolidated order and are responsible for making sure individual purchases within that consolidated shipment are distributed to customers. So you may have a small store in a rural community, you may be a school in a rural community, or you may be an individual. We'd love to talk with you if you'd be interested in supporting this program as a site host. Now, all purchases on Greatland receive reward points, and you get 1 reward point for each dollar spent. If you're a site host, we also compensate those individuals with an award point for every dollar value for the entire consolidated co-op order. So if you were a site host for a particular community, you'd realize additional reward points, which could be substantial depending on the final consolidated order weight. But you can find out, or first off, you can express your interest in becoming a site host through the website. You'll find the site host registration off the co-op page, and you'll also find a directory of who the site hosts are within individual communities here. Just to go back quickly to the My Account page, you'll see the Greatland set up a couple tools to help manage co-op orders. So you may find these helpful. One, we have a message board specifically for co-op orders. So let's say you're within a particular community. Here's an easy way to communicate to others to say, hey, we just started a co-op order to get folks involved and engaged and helping that order reach the 1,000-pound minimum as quickly as possible. We also have a referral program, and our referral program offers rewards for both the person offering the referral We also have a referral program. You can find the referral program from the main menu here. But this program offers $10 coupons to the person offering the referral, as well as the customers that may consider joining through your referral. So this is a great way to get folks involved with the program as well. Thanks for watching. Please reach out to us if there's any questions we can help you with.